If you're experiencing audio desync issues in Valorant, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. This guide will help you restore proper audio synchronization in the game. Step 1. Check audio settings. Go to the game's audio settings and ensure that the correct audio output device is selected. Make sure the volume levels are appropriately set for both in-game sounds and voice chat. Step 2. Update audio drivers. Visit the website of your audio device manufacturer and download the latest drivers. Installing updated drivers can resolve compatibility issues that may cause audio desync. Step 3. Adjust Windows audio settings. Right-click the sound icon in the taskbar and select Sounds. Under the Playback tab, select your audio device, click Properties, and check the advanced settings. Ensure the default format is set to supported sample rate and bit depth. Step 4. Disable audio enhancements. In the audio device properties, navigate to the Enhancements tab and check the box that says Disable all enhancements. This can help eliminate any processing that might be causing the desync. Step 5. Restart the game and system. After making the above adjustments, restart Valorant to see if the issue persists. If it does, consider restarting your computer to ensure all changes take effect properly. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve audio desync issues in Valorant. If problems continue, consider checking online forums for additional solutions or contacting support for further assistance.